Most startups don't fail because the idea was bad. They fail because structural chaos slowly drains momentum. The real enemy isn't how fast you execute or how ambitious you are. It's the absence of a clear system that keeps decisions clean, ownership defined, and progress compounding. When everything is tangled, even strong ideas collapse. With structure, even simple ideas can scale. Chaos isn't the same as being early, moving fast, or hustling hard. Chaos shows up when work isn't decomposed into clear, independent blocks. Without decomposition, everything bleeds together, signals get noisy, and even simple decisions become slow. Structure removes chaos, so speed becomes sustainable. Project thinking creates overload because everything moves together, dependencies pile up, and every change ripples across the whole system. Block thinking creates control by breaking work into independent units with clear owners, goals, and KPIs. One model multiplies complexity. The other contains it, so momentum can compound. Every startup runs on 4 core blocks. Acquire brings people in. Activate gets them to their first win. Deliver provides the core value, and retain brings them back. No matter the product, this shape holds because every business must attract users, help them succeed, deliver value repeatedly, and keep improving engagement. When structure is missing, features turn into coping mechanisms. Teams ship more to feel productive, but each feature is really a patch for underlying chaos. Instead of creating leverage, they create noise, a way to avoid confronting the missing blocks. With clear structure, the urge to overship disappears because the system finally makes sense. Imagine a simple startup running a clean block stack. Acquire brings users in through content. Activate guides them to a fast first win. Deliver provides the core workflow that creates value, and retain brings them back with a tight email loop. Each block operates independently, so improvements compound without creating chaos. Ownership, metrics, and iteration speed return once blocks exist. When work is decomposed, every block has a clear owner, a single KPI, and a tight feedback loop. Chaos dissolves because nothing bleeds across boundaries. Teams stop firefighting and start improving the system piece by piece, letting momentum finally compound. Here are the simple action steps. Name your blocks, assign each one a single KPI, and kill all the random work that doesn't belong anywhere. Once every task lives inside a block with a clear owner and outcome, chaos disappears. You stop reacting and start improving the system piece by piece, letting momentum finally compound. Learn how to put structure before speed. Links in the description. Apply this inside the StartupDNA system. Once you understand blocks, KPIs, and decomposition, the course becomes the obvious next step. It shows you how to wire these ideas into a complete operating system. Instead of theory, you get a structure you can apply immediately to remove chaos and build momentum. Get your copy now from StartupDNA.shop.